Materials needed: Stephensons melt and pour base, heat-resistant glass jar for melting soap base, microwave or double boiler for melting the soap base, colorants, optional for adding color, silicone mold to shape your soap. Rubbing alcohol spray helps to remove the bubbles, mixing spoon for stirring. Cut the soap base and measure the weight. Cut in small cubes. Melt the soap base. With microwave method, place the cubes in the jar and heat in 20-second intervals, stirring between each until fully melted. Or double boiler method, place the cubes in heat-resistant jar over simmering water and stir occasionally until melted. Add color and oils. Optional. Once melted, add colorants if desired and add fragrance oil, about 1 to 2% of total soap weight. Stir gently to avoid bubbles. Pour the soap into moulds. Pour the melted soap into the silicone moulds carefully. If bubbles from the top, spray with rubbing alcohol to take them down. Let the soap set. Allow the soap to cool and harden for 1 to 4 hours at room temperature. Unmold the soap. Gently pop the soap out of the mold by pressing from the bottom once it's fully hardened. Cure and package. Although the soap is ready to use, allowing it to air dry for 24 hours can improve the soap longevity. Enjoy your handmade soap. You can easily customize your soaps and experiment with different colors, fragrances, and molds. Happy soaping! You can find our soaps and candles at ggcrystalgifts.co.uk.